Another goddamn video. It's pissing down rain. I'm filming like this because it's better apparently. Yeah, so we're gonna do more of the floor. So as you can see, this is what we've done. What I've already done is all of this. I'm just using a hammer and a chisel, as you can see. I've got the GoPro out, so I'll set that up somewhere in here, maybe there. Will probably be the best, and we'll just start chipping away and getting the rest of the floor done. There will be time lapse. There'll be more. This will be more of a lengthy video that I'll post on here, whereas on TikTok I won't post as long of a video because I can't. But yeah, and I'll also go a bit more into depth about the damage and all of that stuff, cool stuff. So, let's get this shit set up, shall we? Alright. And now we begin. So I'll phase into this.
Where all our differences fall away, like stars from space, where rhythm and life are one and the same. Follow me into tomorrow, where all that exists is time and space, and the anticipation of a brand new day for us to sing, laugh, dance, and play. Follow me, 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 follow me.
I just wanna go back to 1999. Took a ride to my old neighborhood. I just wanna go back, sing it baby one more time. Wanna go back, wanna go, yeah. I just wanna go back, no I can't go back. CD, oh Mercedes, drive around listening to Shandy like but on a shot, I was crazy, so much better. Still go my youth and I no money, no fun, it was easy and then wish that we could go back in time.
The rain won't go away. That's really annoying. Hey, this is from my head. Yeah. I don't recommend doing this unless you really have to, because it is a pain. Or use dry ice or a heat gun to scrape it off because it will work a lot better and a lot quicker. I'm just doing this because I can't be bothered buying dry ice and I don't have a heat gun at hand and I just want to do something else. This is the hardest part. For some reason I punched through the floor, which I don't know how I done that, so I'll just tap that back up with a hammer, bit of seam sealer. Whatever. Yeah. It's going good though. I've got a whole mountain there, and there's just stuff everywhere. Oh my god. It's actually kind of sad to see my car like this. It's so lifeless at the moment. But I'll be putting the sound deadening all on the floor, all up here, all on the roof, all in the door cards, like on the skins of the doors, up underneath the parcel tray, all of it, just, yeah, the whole thing. All up over the seat mount rails. I'll just cut out a hole so the bolt can slip back through, all under here. Just everywhere really. I can't really get in here to chisel all that out, so that's probably as far as I'm going to go there, and then I'll just lay new stuff over the top of it and wrap it up further. Same as there and on that side, because that stuff is a lot harder to get off than the floor for some reason, and it's a lot thicker. Same as all down here was way thicker as well. All here is really thin. You can see how it's all little parts that have chiseled off in like little pieces like this, whereas the floor has chiseled off in much larger pieces. I'll sort of do in the boot and all of that, but like, wow. Wowza. It's gonna look so good when it's done though, like, really good. Anyway, oh my god. I'm gonna cut this video here. It's not gonna be as long, I don't think. I don't know how long the time lapses go for. I don't even know how long I've been in here for. Yeah, I'll do more later, another day, whatever. I won't make another video on until I'm actually laying the new sound deadening in, because you get the process, you get what's happening. Probably start doing the bonnet and guards very soon, because I want to start sanding them down. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Do what you gotta do.